Well, hello, Banggood. Well, I got in my 2-cell battery, my 3-cell battery today, and charged the 2-cell up. It seemed to be fine. Been charging the 3-cell battery, and right now we're at 12.6 volts at 27.59 milliamps out of, well, this thing is what, 5200 milliamp, 3-cell, 50C discharge, and it's a ZOP power. And this side of the cell pack is fine, but the back side is puffing. So it looks like we've got a defective battery here, which I don't know, I was a little bit skeptical when I put the LiPo tester on it because the cells weren't properly balanced, we'll say. My 2-cell, they were balanced bang on. But I've seen that happen before in other batteries and I've never had a problem, but I've got puffing going on here. As you can see, I'm pushing down on it lightly, and it is puffing up, so this is not cool. So I'd appreciate if you guys would send me a replacement battery. Again, this is the ZOP Power Li-Poly 11.1 volt 50C 5200 milliamp battery, and it's problematic. I'm gonna let it finish charging just to see what happens. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on it, but that's not good at all. Just let me grab my other one, just because it's been sitting in the case all day here. And this is the 2-cell pack I got from you guys, and it's fine, no problems at all. And it is fully charged. I charged this one this afternoon, actually, when I got the batteries in the mail. And this is the 7.4 volt 35C 6300 mAh, and it's fine. So, but this 3-cell 11.1 volt battery is that's bad. So that's kind of a hazard waiting to happen. Anyways, just hope to hear from you soon. Let me know what's going to happen, and we'll go from there. Thanks.